first of all, this is my first time at IRC in Orlando, and I really need to say I'm so thankful for everybody who delivered such great content and the people who came here. And my two greatest takeaways are, first, the sustainability aspect in the industry that everybody needs to drive forward, right? And the second thing is data is at the center of all digital transformation.
One of the things I like most about ARC is really to network with other industry leaders in terms of looking at where we have common problems that we're trying to solve together.
Actually being able to get out and talk with these folks, understand the vendors that are available, and to make those contacts. So if I've got something I want to develop, I know who's out there and I know who to go reach out to. And some of these folks who are being spokespeople, I can talk to them after the presentations also to get their feedback on why they may have went with a certain vendor. So I think it's phenomenal.
We can take a lot of the digital transformation challenges into solving some of the sustainability things that we want to go forward. So I think if we can mirror those two things together, I think we've got a good path forward.
It's a great opportunity to network with end users, with technology partners, and understand the trends of the technology market. I will come back in order to keep the conversations and see the evolution of the technology towards the goals that this community has.
Connecting with other individuals, being present, and of course learning. I really enjoyed learning while I was here from everyone that was attending.
I'll be coming back because there's a lot to learn. There's a lot to, I'm in the food and beverage industry, and just seeing what other industries are doing around smart manufacturing helps to see what we can take away from there and use in our companies.
I would come back because I really had a very warm welcome and met so many people I would like to continue to talk to and continue and build up a cooperation with.
I would come back to this event because of the success I have seen here. Many companies, also my company is willing to have a booth next year here because of the whole success I told them over there in Brazil.
What a wonderful time this has been here in Florida at the ARC Forum. And I want to thank Andy and the ARC team for putting together a great event. For me, this was a very rewarding experience. We were an exhibitor. This was our first time as a silver sponsor, and we got tremendous results as a result of being here at this event. So big thank you to everyone, and we look forward to seeing you here next year at the ARC Industry Forum.